Hey everybody, Liz Productions 5784 here, and today I'm going to be doing my blind video reaction to the Milan Toon channel's latest video, Thomas the Building Engine, episode 3 of the Railways of Crotoonia. I've already seen one preview of it on YouTube and it's looking good, but I want to see the whole thing, so now I'm finally going to get the chance. So with that being said, I'm excited to see what you cooked up for Milan. Let's get started. Thomas the Building Engine. Alright, here we go. Ah yes, the Mighty Machines theme song. You know, actually, I own 2 VHS tapes of that. One is The Airport, which me and my brother always constantly watch, and this other one, which is, I think, a Demolition Site video. But yes, I definitely remember the Mighty Machines series. I wish I could have seen others, but, you know, me and my brother only owned the 2 VHS tapes. But yeah, sit right down and see. There are so much to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty Machines. Yeah, when I first heard that in one of your other videos, Milan, that brought me nostalgia. So good right there. Okay, here we go. The Railways of Crotoonia. Thomas the Building Engine. Okay.
Every so often on the Crotoonian railways, engines will be sent to work in unfamiliar places. It was on one of these occasions that Thomas was sent away from his branch line to help with a project up in the hills. There was a new depot being built high on the Cliffstone Mountains. The Crotoonian Construction Company had called for a spare shunting engine, being that Brewster, one of the company engines, was having his monthly checkup. The depot was near the village of
this is
Cliffstone
where
Valley,
I saw the
which was reached by
preview.
a steep, narrow line only accessible by smaller engines like Thomas and Tilly.
Getting tired already.
When Thomas arrived at the site, there was a lot of work going on. Buildings needed roofing, track was being laid,
One of the best
and there was a lot of building materials
crossovers.
lying around
Jack in the
waiting for
Pack
further use.
and Bob the Builder. Probably almost every kid's dream to see this happen. Jack and Scoop.
Foundations when Thomas whistled in.
Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Jack. And I believe you're Scoop, right?
You got it. Straight from Boston. And Sunflower Valley. And Vixen. And Spring City.
I take it you've been around then.
Me and Bob's team certainly have.
Bob the Builder himself.
Your acquaintance, Thomas.
Anime style.
Wow. Hi. No need for introductions. I've already heard so much about you, Bob. All good things, of course.
Well, I would hope so. You can tell me more later. Right now, we have a big assignment ahead of us.
Oh, yes. What will I be doing?
You will be working with Isabella and Packer to pick up and drop off materials for the site. And the forklift will be loading them up and collect all the spares we send back down.
Sure. No problem. It'll be nice to work with a new friend.
I'm sure Packer feels the same way. Just don't get too dusty or whip up too much smoke, you two. You know how I am about me paint.
Don't worry, Izzy. It's all like containers and pipes and things.
How many times have I told you, Packer? It's Isabella, not Izzy.
Oh, what's wrong with Izzy anyway? Isabella's so long. Takes forever to struggle through.
It's undignified. That's what's wrong with it.
Thomas couldn't help but smile. He was glad to know the pack was getting along with their new friends. After a fashion, anyway. They were crating materials for the station, piping materials for plumbing, and supplies like fuel and spare parts of the machines to deliver first.
Oh, you got a little music video here. Or song montage, yeah, that's what it is. Hi Trevor, hi Terrence. Oh yeah, that's right. I saw another preview featuring this song, which was pretty good. Oh, that's it? Okay.
Alright guys, stop messing around. Come on,
And when he
get
got
to
back,
work.
Thomas found a lot more machines working
There's
around.
Muck.
You need some cement over here?
Oh, there's a few automobiles I wouldn't know. Oh, I could believe that's Wendy. I'm assuming. I think. Toby and Whiff are there too. Cool.
He was so fascinated by all the machines and work going on that Thomas started wishing he could do more.
I wish I could help with a bit of the building. Maybe I can.
Oh dear.
With the help of one of those
Something's
breakdown
gonna go
cranes,
wrong.
I can definitely transport this load on my own.
Well, we'll just wait and see. I'm thinking ahead.
Meanwhile, Lofty the Crane was shifting an important roofing section for the station building. The roads were packed while Rolly and Buster the steamrollers were working, so he had to ride along the railway line, which was dangerously close to the edge of the valley.
Oh boy.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Just a little further on the road and we should be at the site.
Come on, hurry up.
Max
I
and
gotta get my
Monty.
axles greased. So do I. I'll be done faster than you. I'm the better build after all. We'll see about that.
Max! Monty! Get back here! The road's not cleared!
Oh, no, you don't.
Nearly at that.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh.
No, 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 no!
Oh.
Oh!
What happened here?
I'm so sorry. I just wanted to help with the building process, so I thought I'd try to deliver some of these furnishings on my own, and...
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think that was your job.
Oh, come
Be that as
on.
it may, Dizzy, now's not the time for playing the blame game. We need to figure out how to get that load back up. I got it! We could get Gripper to help. His cable is really long, and he's got a winch. You're right. Unfortunately, right now, he's helping out at the Gradinia Bay docks. Oh, bother. Well, now what are we gonna do?
If only we had something long enough to reach out to the end of the valley.
But where would we find that?
I got it!
Got what, Thomas?
An idea! Look, I did something incredibly silly and messed up. I'd like a chance to correct that mistake. So, may I have permission to go off-site?
Sure, but why?
You'll see soon, Bob. I promise. We could build this scaffolding into a jib. We can hook a winch onto it and use it like an old-fashioned pulley crane to get the crate.
That's a brilliant idea, Thomas. Good thinking.
Thanks, Wendy.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get to work. Can we fix it?
Yes, we can.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, I think so. Yep.
Assembling the contraption was no problem for Bob and Wendy, but bringing it up was another story, with the hoist fitted onto Isabella and Packer, and with the magnet hooked onto Thomas's winch. It would all require teamwork to get the job done. The container was stuck on a very awkward point of the valley. Lofty's magnet made it easy to collect it, but bringing it up would be the ultimate test.
Is everybody ready?
Ready to work.
Time to go to the rescue!
Thomas is ready.
All right, then. Let's get this show on the road!
It was a lot harder to pull a container from off the ground than pulling it on a wagon, but Thomas didn't stop. He kept heaving the container up.
I just hope the arm holds.
Wait for it! Now, Isabella! Now!
Yep, they did it.
Done, all of you.
Woohoo! did it! Hooray!
Boy, that sure was a heave.
I didn't even get my paintwork dirty.
Oh, for crying out
Go
loud.
figure.
Splendid job, team!
Oh, hey, I
And a
think I
special
hear
thank you
Oliver
to
and Company
Thomas.
music.
You were very creative with figuring out a solution to the problem. I'll be certain to thank your controller for sending over some reinforcements.
But I'm not really all that, am I? I caused this whole mess, and all because I took up a job before asking.
Well, true, but you fixed your mistake and learned from it, I trust?
Oh, yes. of
Learn from your
course.
mistakes.
Next time, I will definitely ask before taking up a job, even if it looks really cool.
Then that's all that matters. At the end of the day, you are a really cognitive tank engine.
Time for Thomas to hit on
That
home.
evening, Thomas went back to the sheds to tell his friends
Wait,
all
do I
about
hear
the
a
day's
Sesame Street
adventures.
theme?
What's more, he had learned a valuable lesson in the importance
Yes,
of correcting his
I do.
mistakes. As Bob and his friends taught him, with a bit of creativity and teamwork,
Can
no
you tell
problem
me
is too
how
big
to
to
get
solve together.
to Crotunia? How to get to Crotunia? Oh, hi Gordon. Bye Gordon. Man, how tall is that crane? Jeez. In memory of Mary Persa? Oh yeah, that's right! Your grandmother passed away. Oh, I'm sorry about that. May your grandmother rest in peace. Well, that's the end of Thomas the Building Engine. I'd say this was a very good episode. I'm sorry if I wasn't speaking as much through the episode. I guess I was just so interested, or I'm not sure. But I don't know. Well, let's see what else is there in the video.
The Railways of Crotunia has been
Nope.
brought to you in
That's
part
it.
by...
The animation is looking better. Voice actors were all very good. First time hearing Tyler Hildebrand as Bob, that was really cool. Michelle Hurtado as Dizzy, Jack, Wendy. I think that's all. No, Isabella. I think that's all I could identify from her. Sorry, I didn't stop to read the credits. I'll do that later. But she also did a good job. And Milan also did good as the remaining roles. And Joel as Thomas. He was also great. Because, you know, Joel, he's really good as an actor. So yeah, the voice actors were all good. I don't know what else to say. I mean, like, you know, this was a very decent episode. I mean, I hate to give it a rating or whatever, but, I mean, Tilly to the Rescue is still my favorite Crotunia episode. Sorry, Milan. Because, well, yeah, it's a pilot episode, but, you know, Thomas the Building Engine is still a very good one. Overall, this has been very good, Milan. Like, everything in your series is just getting better and better. I hope you do more. I'll be looking forward to it. And if you guys don't know this guy's channel, I'll link his channel in the description of this video, and you can see it from there. Because Milan's a very good friend of mine. He's done really good stuff for his channel. He's done really good stuff for his series and all that. Okay? I think that's all I have to say. So, yeah, very good job, Milan. With that being said, this is Liz Productions 5784 signing off. If you ever want me to do a blind reaction to your video, or, I don't know, just place a comment. Otherwise, contact me through Twitter or on a private message on YouTube, and I'll see what I can do. And until then, have a good summer, everybody. Stay cool, and I'll see you next time.